Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z3 Compact, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll to find security. Now let's scroll down to find the credential storage, and at the bottom of it we've got the clear credentials option. As you can see, unfortunately in my case it is not active because I've already removed credentials, but no worries. All you have to do is to simply tap on this option and then confirm it with OK. After that, in your case, this option will also be inactive, which simply means that your device removed certificates. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.